Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and yes, we got breakfast on the menu. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Bisquick bacon and sausage muffins. Man, this is gonna be one of your favorites. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a roll call of what we have for today's recipe. Not many ingredients, so we're gonna go ahead and get through this pretty quick. This is a very easy, simple recipe. Back here, we have our sausage. I'm using the Johnsonville sausage. You can use Jimmy Dean. It's totally up to you. Something like this right here. We have our Bisquick mix here, some shredded cheddar cheese, and you can change out the cheddar for smoked Gouda, whatever type of cheese you want, it works. But I typically like cheddar cheese with this particular recipe. I'm gonna add some of those jalapenos in here. I de-seeded it and chopped it up. We got onions here, garlic. I'm gonna throw some of that bacon in there too. Also, we're gonna use some eggs, and right here we have some chopped green onions. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by cooking our bacon. And guys, you can also cook your bacon in the microwave or air fry. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna do it right here on my cooktop, and we're gonna cook this until it's meaty and crispy. All right, so it looks like we're good with our bacon. We're gonna go ahead and remove this. And I'm gonna add this to a cutting board lined with paper towels and get that baby drained off. Also, I'm gonna get it chopped up too once it cools down. But we're gonna continue by adding our sausage here. And we're gonna get this cooked all the way through also until brown, crumbling it up as we go. All right, so about 3 minutes into cooking your sausage, you wanna add your onions, your garlic, and if you're using jalapenos, add those jalapenos. And we're gonna continue to cook this until it's cooked all the way through and those veggies are softened. All right, so it looks like we are good right here. We're gonna go ahead and pause our heat. We're gonna remove our sausage. And actually we're gonna turn our heat off. I don't know why I said pause it. And we're just going to add our sausage to this bowl, line with some paper towels. That way we can get it drained. Now, if you got another way you want to drain it, then it's totally up to you. This is how I typically do it. All right, so we're gonna sit this aside, let it cool for a second. Once we do that, we're gonna come right back. So to continue, we're gonna take our Bisquick mix, we'll add it to this dish here. We're gonna take our eggs, add it here. We're gonna get this combined. All right, once we get this semi-incorporated, we're gonna come behind that with our sausage, our bacon. I know you guys saying, why are you using sausage and bacon? Because I want to. Well, typically when I go to like a fast food restaurant and I get like a croissant or a biscuit, I always tell them to add sausage and bacon. For some reason, I like it. But you can use either or both. We're gonna come behind that with our cheese also and our green onions. We're gonna continue to get this mixed in here. And once we get that well incorporated like this, we're gonna just move this aside, bring over our muffin pan. Now I don't know what size muffin pan this is. To be honest with you, I don't know what size it is. However, you can use whatever size you want. It's totally up to you. We're gonna spray this with some cooking spray or grease it however you like. And we're just gonna spoon our mixture into our muffin spot. And you wanna fill it like 2/3 of a way through. Now this muffin pan here is only has 6 holes. This recipe, you could definitely use the one with 12, but this is the one I had. I'll probably just make 6 and then freeze the rest of it. Or I may just cook them all. All right, so now I've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna stick this in our oven. We're gonna let it bake for 18 to 20 minutes until they're brown and golden on top, all right? So let's get them in there. All right, so after about 20 minutes, here's what we have. See if we can try to pull one out of here so you can take a look at it. Baby hot. Guys, take a look at that. Man, that baby looking good right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these babies plated up and into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Bisquick sausage and bacon muffins. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Y'all already know quality control, man. Look at this right here. Whoo, baby, baby, baby. Man, let's go ahead and choose one. And we're gonna come back up to the front of the congregation because you know we gotta break this in front of the camera. Ooh, look at that smoke. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, baby. This is my new favorite breakfast muffin here. Let me do something real quick. Look what I just added. Some of that syrup. Listen, man. You add this syrup to it, I know it's gonna take it to that next level. Oh man. Man, listen, the syrup takes it to another level. Oh man. So yes, this is definitely a breakfast recipe that you definitely need to check out. It's easy to make, and the good thing about it, you can freeze these babies too. Once they're made, you can freeze them, and then when you're ready to eat them, pop them in the microwave, nuke them for a few seconds, and you back in the game. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.